Today I'll be taking you guys on a hike to Schrecksee, which is one of Germany's highest and most beautiful alpine lake. Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. I am here with my friend Robert and we have parked at Hinterstein, and from here there is a bus which goes to the hike start point. It is called Auele. So to go to Auele, you can see in the background is the bus that goes and starts from 7:15 in the morning and runs every hour. So 8:15, 9:15 and so on. And the last return from Auele to Hinterstein parking is at 6:15. So we are taking the bus to go to Auele. And this here you see is the dirty man going to take a bath in the Schrecksee. So the hike to Schrecksee is approximately 10 kilometers both to and fro, with an elevation gain of 1000 meters, and it's all steep most of the time that you will be walking. I have hiked dozens of trails in Germany and all over the world, but this one feels different. Not harder, not longer, just beautiful. This is not just another hike. This is a journey into silence, altitude, and raw beauty. Hidden deep in the Bavarian Alps at 1800 meters elevation, there is a lake so surreal. It feels like nature forgot to tell it exists. Usually for a normal hiker, it takes 2 to 3 hours to reach till Schrecksee and then back again another 2 to 3 hours. So in total you can keep 5 to 6 hours for this hike. As I have extra time, I am planning to go to another peak which is called as Lahnerkopf, which is just on top of Schrecksee, because I can get a wonderful view from top there. Finally, I am at the top, Lahnerkopf. It's approximately 1200 meter elevation gain when you start from Hinterstein. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.